Hi guys. Today I think I've been not uploading for a while. I've been cooking up some more projects. So today I'm gonna be showing a little tutorial on how to create a FNAF or a FNAF game in Scratch, all within this editor. Now I'm gonna be using this Scratch. My God. Anyways, to begin with, let's just This, by the way, is a FNAF 1 project. So I'll just name it whatever I want, like 5 nights at Ready. Or else name it whatever you want from. I'm just gonna name it my other thing. By the way, I'm gonna be using all my old assets. So if you want any of the assets, it's in the link in the description. Anyways, okay, let's just delete this scratch cut and let's go to the backdrops. Now here, I would like this to be a nice dark black. Let's do it here. I would like to name it dark. This is pretty good. Now let's create a new sprite. I'll like to name. I'll make a warning, warning sign, or like a warning text. Yeah, so it'll be the warning. I'll name this to 1. We'll convert to bitmap and make it nice with this. We'll add some text. Let's choose this, and I'll just put warning. No, okay, wait. Yeah, this is nice. Let's put this to 0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah, that's nice. Now let's put this a bit up. Wait, just a sec. Yeah, up. And I will create a new text. This game, game contains flashing lights and and loud loud oh god loud noise noises and jump scares. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so now let's put this at the middle. Also, I like if this is a bit bigger. Okay, let's put it here and let's put this in the middle. Okay, so everything is at the center now. If you would like to add anything extra here, you can put it. We'll make 3 of them. The reason I'm doing this so we can add a little glitch effect. Okay, so let's convert all of these guys to bitmap. You'll see why in a later. Now, once you're in bitmap, click on this option. Then press and hold or click and hold. Select it, and then you can move it right or left. I personally use shift plus the arrow key and it moves like a few pixels. For example, there. Much faster. Now you can do this for any direction. I don't really care. It's your choice. And all of the assets I'm using are not compulsory. You can use them if you want. You can do whatever you want with them. Okay, I want to leave at least one of them normal. I made a mistake. Sorry. Okay, the first one should be normal. Okay, there should be no effects with this. The second one, you can add effects. The third one, you can do whatever you want. Also, I forgot. Um, you can you can fill this with a nice um black. But actually, you don't need to fill it because even if you don't fill it, suppose for this, it won't be visible because of the black background. But I like to do it. Convert it to bitmap. All of them should be bitmap after that. Now you see that it has a nice glitch effect. Just in case, I'll add a nice another one. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? Yeah. Okay, and I'm just doing this another one. You don't have to do it, but if you want, you can do it. Okay, now we got all of the glitch text. Make sure to save it. Now back to the code. Um, you might see that a lot of things don't look similar in your Scratch editor. Don't worry, I just downloaded a few mods. They won't do much to the editor, just for the look of it, so it looks nice. Okay, when green flag, repeat. Um, a lot of wait timer. Delete this variable. A lot of wait time. Wait for all birds. Set wait to 1, and if wait equals 1, no, sorry, if not equals 1, and I know there are easier ways to do this, but I personally like just doing this, and equals 0. We're going to be wait. We're gonna wait. First, first and for all, we'll have to set the costume to. Oh wait. Oh, oh, this should be 1. This should be 2. This should be 3, and this should be 4. Okay. Make sure that all of these are aligned, or else it won't work properly. First of all, it should be 1. Okay. Now, what it should be is it should definitely be 1. Set costume to 1. That's very important. Okay. Now, then wait. Pick random. I'll say maybe 0.35 to wait just a sec. 0.2 to 0.35. What this does, it adds a much more variety. Okay, and then it's going to repeat. How many costumes are there? One, two, three. So it's going to repeat costume 1, costumes is going to repeat costume 2, costume 3, then costume 4, and then go back to 1. This is going to repeat until the weight is going to 1. This is pretty very simple. So let's do here and let's see. Okay, this is a bit too much. Let's modify 3 to maybe. Okay, wait. How about a 3.0500, wait, 4.00. Now this adds more variety. I think I'll make the costume a bit smaller. This is just for my liking. You don't have to do this. 80. Now that looks nice. Let's put it here. Oh yeah, let's put go to 00. Let's wait. Oh wow. Okay, so let's add some more variety to it. Let's do it from 2. Let's set the costume from 2 to 4. And we'll all. This is a bit too fast. We'll wait 0 seconds. You might think, what is the use of this? But Scratch actually waits for an extra second when this block is used. I mean, extra millisecond or so. I don't know why, but it's really useful in my sim. Wow, that adds a lot of change. Now let's make another one. Now I want to stay in one place. So, so how about we will make a broadcast message? Wait. Oh, just a sec. Wait. Yeah, this game is gonna have lots of messages, so be cautious on that. Okay, so we're gonna wait maybe let's say 5 seconds, and then we're gonna stop everything, other scripts and sprite, and then I'm gonna broadcast a message menu. Now let's see. Once this is, oh wait, oh, a menu. Okay, now we're gonna hide. Then we're gonna hide. Yeah, or else we'll just do this. Ah, this is nice. Or else we will, to make it more smooth, we'll add this. This allows, like, suppose we change the color of this and we want to clear the effects which was put on this. We just click clear graphic effects. So now, we're gonna clear effects, and after 5 seconds we're gonna make way to 0, and we're gonna repeat 100 times. Um, change the graphics. Oh, sorry, the ghost by minus to 1. No, actually to 1. Yeah, so let me broadcast. Okay, now let's see this. Wow, this is really cool. Now it just fades. Okay, now we got the menu thing working. So let's make the menu. I would like to add some static. Or you know what? Let's just first add the mascot. I'll be uploading some of my other project assets. You don't have to do them, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay, I'm gonna add this to, yeah. Okay, so I have downloaded the assets from my computer, and this is how it looks like. If you want to do your own, you can pause the video and take your time. So I made two versions. One, this is my mascot. His name is Shoker. Okay, so wait, I'm gonna select everything and make it go to the center. And let's see, I'm gonna tweak it a bit. If you want to make your own, you can pause the video and make your own, and then you can restart. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is, okay, I'm gonna save, take the green flag. I'm gonna stop all scripts other than this. Hide. Also, I'm going to go here. You might see this spot. I'm gonna fix that bit. So this is because of the size. Let's set the size a bit bigger, 120 maybe. Um, I don't know if that's right. Let's see, 100. I'm gonna set it to a preferable size. Change by 1. Okay, by 5. Okay, I like this. I'm gonna. What is it? It's 115. So 115. Okay, that's good. I don't think I like this position. I'm gonna make it go a bit down. Change by. I like this. So what position is this? Minus 40. So I'm gonna add this. You can do change the position or whatever you want in this. I'm just adding it to this. Okay. So I like this, but it should show. Wait, I made a mistake. Well, see, we when we hide here, we should also make it show. So what I'm gonna do is here, I'm gonna change it to minus, sorry, 1 here, and make a script here. Change it to ghost 100, and in that I will do it put it here in the middle, and also make sure that it is showing. Okay, now we're done with this, and right here, once, oh wait, um this is very weird. Okay, so I think it's because of the broadcast. Let's delete it. Okay, and make this into a green flag. I think that'll make it a bit better. um why is this happening? Set ghost. Change ghost by -1. Now why should this happen? I don't know. So this happens. So let's see. Okay, it's because of this clear graphics. Let's delete it. I made a little mistake. Okay, so I think this should work. You can take your time to copy this code. Now let's see if it works. Ah, it works. Let's add a weight 0.5. Okay, I like this. So after this shoken, this should appear. So once it appears, we're gonna wait 0.5 seconds. You can take your time to copy this code. Okay. So once you're done, you'll have to go here. When you go to the menu, um, I'm going to show, and yeah, that's it. Now, when this happens, um, I don't think I am okay with this. Let's let's give it a 2 and make this a 3. And also, I think I like it better if there's also a support tab. So let's do this. Complete under. Okay. Um, yeah, this is good. This is better. Let's see it again. Does it glitch? Yes, that's very nice. Now, yeah, we're done. And let him do it. And then that comes. Okay, now with this thing, I like to, with Shokin here, I like to give it some static. Maybe make reduce it to a, a 10, 110. And let's see, will this look nice? Yeah, that kind of looks nice. So I'm just adjusting things here. I don't like it being that big, so I think I will make it a 5. Yeah, that's good. Now let's go make it go down, and then let's check the X. Okay, now this is really nice. Okay, now let's. I'm just gonna backpack of this, so I'm gonna take my camera static. Yeah, so let's delete all these blocks. Let's name this static for now. This is all assets from my other game. Okay, now we got. Oh wait, we got this here. So it's visible on the stage. So I'll just copy from the shocking sprite and keep it all in this. And then when I receive menu, I also do this. Okay, but I don't want this to be 10. I'll keep it to 0. Yeah, that's better. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot to change this. Okay, when I receive menu, I'll also like to go forever. Okay, um, I used to use the forever block, but now I use this. It works and it moves a bit faster if you ask me. Well, in my computer. I don't know about you. Okay, so I will just add for costume. Okay, so I will like all of them to be a vector. And also, I'll delete the ones I don't need. And instead of this, okay, one. Um, I'll just name it to this. You can also name it to the numbers. For me, I like keeping it like this. This is a 6. Okay. Now I got all the costumes. Now let's see. Also, I like to add this, and I will change the ghost of it to, let's see, 50. No, let's do 45. Oh wait, that's too much, too less ghost of it. Let's do 65. Okay, I think I can go a bit more. 65, 75. I'm just gonna see if it works. I think I like this. I'll keep it like this. Now, now let's say, now let's see. Oh, 105. Okay, so there was a mistake. This should have been 120. Let's do this, and then I don't think 110. Okay, let's change side by this. Maybe a bit more. I like it. This is 135, so this could be 135. Yeah, I like this. Save now. Um, I'm also going to add some text. Uh, what shall I add? Yeah, I will add the text. Um, yeah, let's do. Okay, text. Okay, now I will add the text from here, and let's make it a gray. Okay, so like this. We'll make it a serif text. Okay. Let's make this. Run 5 9 and add shocking. Shocking. Okay. Let's make it a bit darker. Do I like that? I don't know. Wait, let's make it a bit bigger. And let's make this at 0 0. Wow. But let's go make it go to the back layer, like behind the static. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Uh, let's see. I like to add like a little fade. So let's sit down and do this. Um, make this to this, and let's see. Do I like it? I don't know. Wait. This looks actually good. Okay, so I like this a lot. Add it to my liking, and wait. I don't. That it has a weight. Wait, let's keep it like this. Okay, I like this. This is nice. No, I can. Okay, so I like this, and let's. I don't like how dark it is. Yeah, now this is good. Um, do I want to make this bigger? I think I do. Let's do this. Yeah. Now I like to wait. I'll add some more text. I'll just copy paste the one from before and set this to 1. Yeah, now I will make this to version. This is just for looks 1.2, whatever you want, like whatever version you have. I may already made a version of this, so I'll just name it version 1. Okay, I am very skeptical with this. Okay, so there's a problem. I can see it here, but since I made it to the back layer, Shokan here is in front of it. So let's go here, go back. We'll actually set it back, repeat. So let's do this, and yeah, or else let's just do this, or else just have forever, if you please. I'll add forever. So change this. Where did I put? Yeah, here. Just add a forever loop. Now the text is visible and we are able to see. Let's see here. Or and then I guess just add my own server by by Bishop Game. That's my username. 27. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Now we got this and we got that and oh wait, just do I want to make it smaller? I feel like I do. Okay. Now I will copy this, flip it, and add a border just for the looks. Now I like this. This looks nice. Let's save it and we got it. Now this is good. Oh wait, we don't have any code yet. Let's just copy the code from here. Put it here and also over here. When I do this, I'll only go back one step and also I will change the coordinates of this XX and this will be 100. Save. Now let's I'll backpack all of this. Where is it? Continue and the new game. Creating a sprite and in that sprite I'll make a new game and I'm just downloading all the sprites with this. Okay, so this will be for new game. Yeah. Okay, so we created two of these. Okay, wait, let me delete all the code. Just delete. Oh, okay. Now this is what we all we need. And where is the rest? Okay, here. And yeah, that's all we need. Now, what we'll do is what is the X position of this? We'll just copy the X position and we'll also copy the size, which is 120. And Now, wait, let's keep this here. Okay, now I'll just tell you what is there in these. Let's see that. Let's go to motion. Yes, in the continue there is this continue. I'll just show you. I added this thing. Will go once you go front. You'll see the continue over here. So let's go front. Okay, and then also this, which is the dark one of this. So like when your cursor is here, it'll change color to know that you're interacting with it, and also the nights to tell you which night you are on. It goes all the way back to night 5. So if you want, you could just go to the link in the description and give you all the assets, or you can make them yourself. This is just what it says, or else you can just look in the link just for reference. For this, it's just the same. Well, um, I will. I don't like how this is one color and that's another color. So what I'll do is, what color is this? Category front, it's black. So it's this color. So let's make it here and go to text, and I'll make a box here to just, and then we'll go back. This will also go back, and then now when we click on this, we are able to fill it. Okay, now we fill this and fill this. Now we got something to work with, and then we delete this and do this and make it a bit like this. Copy, and we'll add it to the continue. No, no, no. Okay, so now we got this. Let's actually code. So we already got the coordinates here, so we'll just add this and we'll hide. Do this for the same. Now both of these have for the most of it the same code, so we'll just copy paste for it, and then for the rest we'll actually code what it has to be there. So now when we go here, we'll just go for the new game first. So when we do here, we will go to front layer actually, and we'll just go to the coordinates that it's here. Okay, now we got code. Also, don't forget to do this. It stops whatever it's doing here. Okay, so now we got our code. But okay, so now we'll actually code what's gonna happen if we interact with it. Suppose click on it. So forever. If we'll add if else. Okay, so if touching mouse pointer, set costume to 2. If not, set costume to 1. And when we first check, after that we'll check if mouse down, wait, we'll add a wait condition box, and we'll put not mouse down. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, so it works, and then we'll broadcast newspaper. Newspaper. We're done with the code. That's it. for the newspaper. I mean for the new game. Now we'll just copy all of this here to the continue bar, and let's restart again, and also all of this, and it's a bit broken right now. Let's fix it. Uh, Add the coordinates of this. So yeah, we got it. Now we know what's going on, and yeah. First, we'll add a variable, a new variable. Okay, there is some things we don't need. We'll be using them in the later. Now, what we're actually going to use is this night variable. This will show how many nights has happened. Wait, oh yeah, this should be 00. Sorry. Okay, now we have to run this. Okay, so now here in the continue, you should use this variable which is here. You can make a variable right now. I'll just rename it to night. Yeah, now it's night. So what we'll do is we'll set night to 1. Okay, now and then change night by 1. And here's the thing, once we use this, we will we should know which night it is. So um, we'll have to set the costume to um, join the night. What? So we're gonna name the costumes like this. This is named n, so we'll put n here, and we'll have to join the variable like here. It says 1, right? So if the night is 1, then it'll the costume will be 1 and 1. So if we keep it here, let's see. Let's do it again. Okay, so I would like to tweak a little bit more. So now, okay, so see, it shows which night it is. You click it, it's night 2. So what we'll do is change night. Stop this. We'll make a new message. Nights. Wait, just a sec. Sorry. Night. Okay, and then we'll stop the script. Also stop the script for this. Okay. Now we got our menu. Now after this, this happens. Okay, so we can interact with these, and yeah, well, it doesn't show what's going in here. So let's check if night is 2. Night is 2. Yeah, here. So I don't think 105 is nice. I will change it to maybe 110. Let's see if it is good. I don't know if I like it. Do I? I don't know. Yeah, I think I like it. Okay, now let's just change it a bit. I think yeah, this is very nice. Wait, like just let's put in full screen. Okay, okay. So now we got a menu here. We will add our newspaper and also the nights. So let's see my nights. This and this and this. Okay. Now we are here. Let's just. I got the assets. Let's just delete all of this. Okay, we got the thing. The assets. Now, let's see. For the newspaper, we'll just do all of this. We'll just copy all the code for this because there's not much there. So yeah, I have all the newspaper. This is the newspaper you will have to make like something like this. And also for the nights, it's just a night. Don't put any space between this. I'll tell you why later. Well, I did this for all the nights. I don't think I need a night. I will focus on that later. Now let's see. We got all of this. That's all we need. Okay, so now let's go to newspaper. Now that's what we need. Let's just set the size to. Oh, what happened here? I don't know what happened. Okay, yeah. Let's set all both of these to 100. Okay. Now what we'll have to do here. Let's go to menu. Yeah. No. Actually, it should be the newspaper. When I receive the newspaper, we'll have to do a code. So when I receive newspaper, here there's no sounds. Okay, wait. Newspaper. Yeah. Stop all the scripts and hide. I'll put it for every single one. Um, okay. Then we'll clean up the blocks. Woof. Now let's see how this works. Oh wait, what is that? Oh okay. It should be dark. Let's add a code. Okay, it should be the switch backdrop to dark. I don't know this came, how it came, but okay. Okay, I know why this is here and I'll tell you later. This is for a very special purpose, but I'll delete it right now. Now let's see here. If you click it, yeah, it goes. That's what we need. Okay, the same. Now when I receive a newspaper, we will have to set we'll have to actually show. Go to 00. Go should be 100. Also, if you want to know if the Final Search Tokens 3 is coming, yeah, it is coming. Just that I'm not actually focusing on it right now. I will drop um, a beta version of it, but so for you guys to see. And yeah, that's it. And then I'll drop the full game maybe like after a few months. I do have schoolwork, so that's why. Okay, so we'll just. Okay, yeah, back to the code. Let's do this. And then we actually hide. When I receive a newspaper, we are going to actually. Oh, why is AI in movement here? Okay. Yeah, we'll set the nights to 1. Then we're going to hide, no, actually graphic effects, and then hide. Then we're going to broadcast nights. Now let's see how this works. Wait, just a sec. I think I would like to add a zero point 0.5 in there. Also a zero point 0.5 at the end. Now let's save it. Now let's see how this works. Maybe a bit more, like 2 or 1. Yeah. Now this will go. Now we get back to the menu and let's see. I will do a zero point 0.5. Okay. Now let's go back to the continue. Okay. And sorry. Yeah, the nights. The nights. This will actually broadcast this. So like if you keep it here, this will happen, and after this, it will broadcast nights. Okay. So now, yeah, this happens. So let's see. Yeah, we'll go put this here, and when we we'll put when we receive nights, we're going to just show and set the costume to. This is very important. We'll show which night we are on right now. We're gonna join the night. Okay, well, if you have put a capital letter right here, you can put it there. If you ever not, you can just put it like this. Don't put any space next to the number, or else it might interfere. So, like, let's see what night it is. It's I'll just keep it to night 2, night 3, night 3. Yeah, that's good. Night 3. So, if we put it here, it'll show what night it is. And also, I added this gradient where, like, the more harder the night gets, the more red it becomes to show intensify the feeling that it's getting more harder and harder. You gotta um like uh, play even more harder. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, let's just wait. You know what? I'll just add a 4. Okay, yeah, that's good. And then before that, I would like to add a static. This will add a nice. Um, it'll look very cool once you see it. Okay, then we'll just broadcast this. Um, a new message. So I think wait. We just added to new game. Okay, yeah. Now after this new game, we'll stop this. No, wait, stop this script. Whew. Now let's see. Oh wait. Before I do anything, I will like to make a new one. A new code for like what happens when the night's message is received. So let's do it. Okay, let's keep it for this, 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 and even for the newspaper. Okay, so I'll actually put it here, and we'll just clear all the blocks to make it a bit more cleaner. Now Now if we click this, oh wait, I like to add another thing, and I will just do this and change the this to one, and then by this, and we'll set goes to this, and then we'll clear effects and then hide. Oh yeah, wait. We will actually broadcast. I'll just set this here so it doesn't get deleted. We'll need this. There's one more thing I want to do. We'll add a weight variable. This that's all for today's video, and if you want more, just like and subscribe. Yeah, I'll upload more parts. Yeah, next time. Okay, bye.